Joke and Laugh Factory, Gotham City Prison, and Uzbek, but I'm not doing it today. I might do it later on in the next days. Let's get this out of here. Okay, so first I'm going to be reviewing the Gotham City Prison. Let's open it up. Just need to find the way to open it. I'm going to ask my auntie for some help. Guys, we finally unboxed it with scissors, but my auntie helped me. Make sure that an adult helps you by cutting. If you want a grown-up to read this information sheet, that is just fine. But make sure a grown-up reads it for you because there's too much writing. Well, let's get this out here and focus on playset. Just put, I think this is the bat signal, and let's put it on top of here. Okay, so we have Bane, Batman, and this thing that was on Batman from him stand up. It was on this power pad. Okay, so if you turn this power pad, it opens and closes the gate where Batman was standing. And this one, where Bane will change up here, it turns it on, and then we'll show you what happens. So we put Bane in. This little circle here is chest and his stomach clips in, and then turn it, the power pad, and you can see all of his skeleton body. This machine is called the Baconator. On camera you might see a few yellow lines on his arms, and that's his like skeleton, the green thing. And now we have Batman. He's a cool minifig. There's the feathery black king, full of felt. He has a smile, black armor, the Batman insignia, and the yellow belt, and his mask. And here's Bane. He has like the device on and everything. And let's get on to the playset. Okay, so Batman goes here to turn it and open. Bang. And Batman goes here to turn the Baconator, but I'm putting Bane up there. And you can pull the characters in, but Bane is the only one that has the lines. Look, if I put Batman in, I'll put Batman in. And turn on the Baconator. It only shows a light. The ball is not there. Like, look at Bane. Look at Batman. You know the difference. Okay, so now let's have a little fun. Whoa, the prison, it's open. Let me go in. Okay guys, this you put on here and Batman can stand up. You can also put on this one so he can also stand up. The character that comes here, you can put this here and then. I recommend it if any of you or parents are watching this video, or children, ask your parent if you like the series Imaginext and Batman stuff, videos and stuff like that. You can buy this, and Bane and Batman are included. And I really like this playset, but what I want to improve is down here. Do you see that fence right there? And at the back, right here, I think there has to be like something like a dungeon for the worst of the worst criminals. There is a jail cell for the worst of the worst criminals, but I think there has to be a dungeon for the worst of the worst criminals in this jail. So I think that's what I want to improve. I hope you enjoyed this video, but before you leave, I have all these toys to review. A football, some jigsaw, green book, stamp, Nerf guns, robot, Imaginext. I'm going to do this next. Imaginext, Factory Star Wars, a building, chalkboard, toothpick, vent and overflow, and vented diamond head, and also can be a real Ben 10, as diamond head, and these two Nerf blasts, and these two ball blasters I need, and this fire truck, and yeah, I have all these toys to review. And the building thingy is all the way back here, and chalkboard. So if you like me reviewing these toys, bye, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss out any of these videos with me filming all these amazing toys. See you in the next vlog. Peace!